Welcome to waterco.com, a trusted plumbing resource. In this video, you will know about 4 best pedestal sump pumps. Number 1. ECO-FLO EPP50 Pedestal Sump Pump. It is CSA approved pedestal pump. High quality components used. An adjustable, top-mounted float switch. Longer lasting design. Number 2. Supirior Pump 92301 Cast Iron Pedestal Sump Pump. It has split capacitor motor that is thermally protected, a 5-blade stainless steel impeller, very easy to install on your own, a durable and longer-lasting float switch. Number 3. Supirior Pump 92333 and 1/3 horsepower Thermoplastic Pedestal Sump Pump. It has 1/3 of a horsepower motor for superior performance, heavy-duty drive shaft and impeller, corrosion-resistant materials, durable metal switch arm. Number 4. WaterAce WA50C PED Pedestal Pump. It stays quiet and durably constructed, very easy to install, performs just as expected, won't let you down during heavy rain. Thanks for watching. To get more in-depth review, check our blogs at waterco.com.